welcome, Amalie. I'm happy that you be here. And we are on the way to our showroom and atelier. And I want to show you these kind of pictures are made by the photograph Visage 2. He gives us the pictures for our wall because the wall was very empty, and we can tell him what kind of picture we want to have to show for information. You can buy it very cheap price, and so let's go up.
All right.
And what you see right now here is the way we create chainmail.
Well, that's interesting.
It's just a joke. That is just a picture for all the customers. Normally, everybody knows, can't believe we working only with hand. So that's why we got this little old machine to get a surprise for the customers when they see it. But how we work, I show you right now.
I'm very curious.
All right. Welcome to our showroom. We created this year because this year is very special and we get a lot of time. And so our idea was, because much of the customers, they meet us on different events or whatever. There's so many people around there and maybe they are a bit too shy. Yeah. That's why we got here the possibility that a customer can come to us in a private atmosphere. So he have all the time, nobody disturb the atmosphere, and we can show him our jewelry, our dessous, and all the dresses and all the man wear. So it's very private. We can drink a cup of coffee, we can take a sheet of paper to make a sign, to create the ideas about the customer going to paper. That's why that's an evolution of an idea. And the finish is a unique, worldwide, unique dress, dessous, whatever the customer wants, unique on the world. Yeah. And that's why all the customers, they love our kind we create, dessous or whatever the customer wants, because it's not only by measures, not only by the colors, it's the company about these ideas. And that's our job, is to create a unique design on the customer's wishes. So our slogan is, we put your dreams in chains. That's our job is.
I like it.
Yeah.
So what do you have on this table?
Oh, that's an interesting idea. You see in the background, you see this dress, okay? And this dress. This dress is made in chainmail with scales. In this kind of scales, we get it, yeah? But what we do is to make it very special. It's all handmade. And here we got some examples. All right, these kind of colors.
Very beautiful.
Yeah, it's
shiny.
Very shiny. And the customer.
I like the black and red.
Yes, for sure. Yeah, I can show you my favorite. It's very shiny, very special. But here I got it.
Oh,
so
wow.
you
Looks
see
like a peacock feather.
In what kind of light is coming through the scale. Yeah, it's different shining. Different colors, yes. And for the customer, beautiful. It's a big difference. He can tell me, I want this dress. I want it have in green shiny, combined with a red shiny, with black chainmail. Yeah. It makes no difference because the price is the same. Okay. Yeah, the price was built about the meshes, not about the colors. Okay. So the customer got the chance to get a very special dress by the idea of himself. So it's 100% unique.
Dietmar, how long have you been making or designing these outfits?
I'm starting with my company about January of 2008, but most of the time I build alone. Since 2017, I'm not more alone because my wife Claudia is working with, and about 2018, she's starting got designed by herself, and a wife got a very very special, bit different to the view about a man. So that's why we changed or got more design by women in the collection of Ero Chains. For example, I show you all these kind of dresses you see right there. It's made by it's a work with Claudia to get a very special design with a woman's view. That's why it's very feminine. It's not cheap. It's not ordinary, because it's elegant. It's exclusive, and by all this stuff, the customers can talk with us about the colors, about the design. He always can talk with us, but these collections is just an example. What we can do by technical side, what we can do about colors, what's working with different colors. If you see this dress, we think about gold and black. It's a good combination. It's our choice, maybe not for the customer. Maybe the customer wants it in green, purple. He got the choice. We got the possibility.
So let's say a customer comes and wants this dress in his or her chosen colors. How long would it take you to produce it?
It's a bit different to tell, because 8 weeks before Christmas, we are very, very, very busy. Better is it in January or February, but in the middle it needs 6 to 8 weeks. And we created all the stuff in our atelier. We show you next. It's all handmade. That's why it needs a long time, because we have to buy the tags, we have to buy the chains, and then we start work. That's why 6 to 8 weeks.
If a customer comes from overseas and she or he can't come and meet you in person, is it possible for you to make a dress or outfit for somebody who can't try it on?
For sure, because in the modern times it gives Skype, it gives WhatsApp, it gives Zoom or whatever. On the way the customer can work with, we can make a video conference. So that's why for us it's very, very, very important, because we have first talk with the customer, and we can show in by picture what we can create. So it needs more time to go in a shop and buy one simple dress. It needs much more time. But you get a special thing. For sure. That's why we can create with modern tools like in videos, whatever. Can we talking about the customer, and then we create his stuff and we send it all worldwide.
So if there's somebody out there who is curious now and would like to purchase something from you, how can they reach you best?
Best is about our homepage. It calls www.ero-chains.de, or also in Facebook, Instagram, Joyclub, whatever. There always is our mail address and our phone number. Then he can call us every time. Not every time, not in the night.
All right. Thank you very much, Dietmar, for showing me your beautiful showroom and explaining us some of your beautiful designs. I will certainly paste a link to Ero Chains down below in the box. So if you are curious, please go and check it out and contact them, but not during night, please.
Thank you. Thank you for being here.